Welcome to the Wanderlust Edit 2026, your guide to curated travel gear. We'll be looking at the top 20 trending accessories for the modern explorer. First, the Bio-Nylon Smart Carry-On, a sustainable motion option. Constructed from seaweed-based biopolymers, it's lighter and more durable than aluminum. It features AI-integrated tracking, built-in solar charging, and global GPS. Next, the Quantum Noise Buds offer total audio isolation. Equipped with neural processing chips, they cancel 99.9% of unwanted noise. These are designed for long-haul comfort with bio-memory foam tips, providing a sanctuary for the urban nomad. Item number 3 is the Heritage Leather Weekender. This bag showcases regional mastery, hand-stitched by artisans using ancestral vegetable tanning techniques. It features full-grain hide and brass hardware, designed to age into a personal relic. For crystal clear hydration, we have the UVC self-cleaning flask. It neutralizes 99.9% of biological contaminants in 60 seconds, perfect for unreliable tap water. Its sleek sage finish is highly trending this season. Break language barriers with the AI Universal Translator Pin. This discreet wearable provides near-zero latency translation for over 45 languages. It uses bone conduction audio for personal and respectful conversations. Now we move to the Style Collective, where artisanal heritage meets vacation chic. Number 6 is the Organic Silk Multi-Wrap. Woven on traditional handlooms with wild harvested silk, it serves as a scarf, cover-up, or shawl. Each piece supports weaving communities in the Indus River Valley. The sensor-integrated sun hat provides protection with intelligence. Traditional palm weaving is combined with a discrete sensor that monitors UV intensity, alerting your phone when it's time to seek shade. Embrace folk craft tech with the hand-embroidered tech pouch. It features intricate needlework and an interior lined with RFID blocking fabric to protect your cables and drives. For dynamic lens technology, look at the bio-adaptive sunglasses. The lenses adjust faster than standard photochromics, and the frames are made from 100% compostable bioresin. The luxury suede document hub offers tactile travel organization. This velvet soft suede organizer is hand-buffed and edge-painted, with reinforced slots for passports, visas, and cards. Our next section is the High-Tech Horizon, featuring next-generation gadgets for the digital nomad. Item 11 is the Foldable Solar Power Tile for unlimited energy. These paper-thin CIG's solar panels fold down small and can fully charge a smartphone in 2 hours of direct sunlight. Combat jet lag with the EEG Smart Sleep Mask. It monitors brain waves and uses gentle light therapy to adjust your circadian rhythm, ensuring you land refreshed. The magnetic e-ink luggage tag ensures digital persistence. Update your details instantly via an app on the e-ink screen, which requires zero power once set. For zero-waste heritage, we have the hand-forged brass travel set. Inspired by traditional South Asian metalwork, brass is naturally antimicrobial, promoting travel hygiene and sustainable dining. Capture aerial memories with the Pocket Mini Travel Drone. Weighing under 150 grams, this AI-powered device follows you automatically, capturing cinematic 4K footage without a remote control. Finally, let's explore the wellness ritual, focusing on restoration for the weary traveler. The Jet Lag BioPatch Kit offers a cellular reset. These timed-release patches contain electrolytes, melatonin, and B12 to stabilize your body's chemistry across time zones. Experience the scent of calm with the Sandalwood Solid Perfume. Housed in a recycled tin, this travel-safe solid perfume features scents known to reduce travel anxiety. The compact Bioform pillow offers ergonomic flight comfort. It shrinks to the size of a grapefruit and uses plant-based memory foam for 360-degree neck support. Achieve structural organization with bamboo modular cubes. Odor-neutralizing bamboo fibers keep luggage fresh, and the cubes compress volume by up to 40%. Our final trend is the digital fitness ring for invisible tracking. More discreet than a watch, it tracks activity, heart rate, and temperature for your adventures. We have reviewed the top 20 accessories. Let's briefly look at the 2026 trend analysis. Here is a look at the projected global market spend and travel tech adoption trends from 2021 through 2026. Consider this 2026 trip planning timeline. Secure heritage luggage 3 months out. Update smart tech 1 month prior. Initiate BioPatch prep 2 days before. And utilize isolation buds and the wellness mask on day 0. As Joe Sperano said, good design is obvious. Great design is transparent. Explore the horizon with confidence and style. Thank you for viewing the Wanderlust Edit 2026 video.